Hello and welcome back to another episode of DIY Quick Crafts with the Harris-Elmore and Genoa Libraries. Today we will be making these beautiful Danish stars made out of folded paper. This craft is super easy and only requires a few supplies. First, you will need scrapbook paper cut into a square. For this star, I use pre-cut 5" by 5" printed paper. You will also need scissors and Elmer's glue. We will start by taking one of your squares and turning it over so the white side is facing up. Begin by folding your square diagonally so the two opposing points meet. Now fold this triangle in half, making sure you crease your folds heavily. Repeat this fold one last time. Unfold your paper white side up. Take your scissors and cut almost halfway up your line on the four sides of the square. Make sure not to cut the corners. You should have 4 slits at the end. Lay your paper flat and begin folding the pieces inward. Your colored paper will line up perfectly with your white line, creating an arrow-like shape. If your fold doesn't make it all the way to the middle, increase your slit size with your scissors. Repeat this step on all 4 sides. Now it is time to glue. Take one triangle per point and put glue on top. Fold the other point over the glue and hold it until it becomes tacky. Repeat on the remaining points. Set this 4-pointed star aside to dry and repeat the steps on your other square. After your 2 stars have dried, line them up, colored paper facing outward, so they become a 3D 8-pointed star. Glue together and set aside to dry. And there you have it, a fun and easy craft for the upcoming holiday.